Oh boy, here I go using my new plane controls for the first time.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's getting weird.
Dude, if we turn this around because we started playing serious, that's... You have space?
Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna do a really bad idea. Oh, that cunt up there. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Nope. Bad, 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 bad. Fucking tail gunner.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, no, he switches seats
Oh,
so he can shoot
okay.
me from
Yeah, on
behind.
the bottom.
I was literally at 1 health there. Oh god damn it! Fuck!
Did you just eject?
No, I'm fine. We're fine.
Oh.
Everything's fine here. I didn't eject. Who ejected? Nobody ejected. Oh god damn it! Fuck! Nobody was climbing out the bomb bay door and then immediately spammed E and got back in. Not at all.
Okay, that's good.
Who would do a thing like that? That's
You want
silly.
me top or bottom?
Giggity. Might not have to change my plane controls ever again.